Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So today we've got a warning video to those who trying to fix tellies and sooner or later will end up with a full backlight TV which will have a problem with stands for the display. Now I'll switch to the videos, to the photos, okay. You see, I was replacing the backlight in one of the tellies and that's what we see. You've got 1, 2, well, it's 3 and 4, 5, 6, yes, and there is more seen here. Sorry, my alarm clock. More seen here. These are diodes, okay. There's less of them seen at the top and so on, but more here. And why it's so? Yes, the same if we will get the white picture, you've got similar scenario. Okay, that's not the thing what I wanted to show you. You see those here in this Panasonic TV have damage. I thought maybe I can glue, and it was holding to a certain extent, but unfortunately, see that was here. I had to take it out. That's how they look originally, yes. So this one is missing. Oh, you don't see this one. Okay, so this one is the original one, yes, but it's glued. It was breaking at the bottom. You couldn't get it out. No way, Jose, you could do it, yes. Here you see those I've made, and those are given those problems, actually. Those marks on the screen, yes, that's another one. And on the right hand side, yes, that's the one, and at the top it's this one. So guys, all you can do is 3D print it. If you can 3D print it, it's not a problem, yes. Yes, it's not worth for most, yes, it's not worth the job. With this Panasonic, I will be either refusing to those customers, or I'll say that I need to 3D print, and 3D printing will cost extra, just extra, yes. So I'll 3D print them, and I'll 3D print more, you know, and then I will calculate the cost of 3D printing, because the design will be done for this telly anyway, and I can make it available at the Tinkercad or somewhere, yes, so that people can have this code for those Panasonics. But in general, if I have to print it, you know, that's my cost, so I can sell it for some money. But that's pretty much it, you know. So don't do it. Don't use other resources. Just focus on doing it right, because even the height will be different and will be difficult to maintain the good quality of the picture. Thank you. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.